Alright, what up y'all? So I just got done changing the spark plug wires on this thing, and I got a secret for y'all that no one knows about spark plug wires, and I'm going to tell y'all that here in a second. But first, before we do that, I'm going to show y'all some tricks that I like to do when I change spark plug wires. So you can see this thing's destroyed. I mean, it ripped it apart when I took it off, and here's the other end. But one of the tricks is to prevent this from happening in the future is you get dielectric grease, and you put the dielectric grease all inside the connector. So this, you put some on this. This is the part that goes to the coil, but right here, here's the end that goes on the spark plug. So you can see down in there, you get some grease and you put it down in there in the boot part and in the metal part and on the tip of the plug, because those things get stuck on there, and then when you take them off, you know what happens, they break. So you know, it's hard to not mess them up. They make special pliers and stuff, but I don't have those, and y'all probably don't either. So what I do is I just rip them off, right? So get the channel locks, put them on there, you know, like that, and pry them and rip them off. I mean, they're gonna break, who cares, you got new ones. So you can see that some of them didn't break and some of them did break, but that doesn't do you any good, because then you got to replace them all. I mean, you know, you're not just gonna get one or two. And you can see all that nasty corrosion and stuff down in there. Some of it's all dried up grease, but it looks like corrosion to me. So that's why you want to put dielectric grease on those things. Now for the secret that no one knows about spark plug wires, are y'all ready for it? You can see what I wrote on this box right here. Lifetime warranty, Rock Auto. So I bought these from Rock Auto. I'll put links in the description where y'all can find, you know, spark plug wires with lifetime warranty. But that's the thing, a lot of people don't know that spark plug wires have lifetime warranty. So the catch here is the lifetime warranty is only for you. So you buy the plugs and you replace them, you change them all out, right? Then they have a lifetime warranty. If you buy a truck or a car or whatever with the plugs already on it, they're not going to give you a warranty for it. So if you read the fine print and all that, it's a lifetime warranty for the original purchaser of the plug wires. So, you know, you could probably, you know, try to cheat them out of some plugs. I wouldn't recommend that at all, but they're probably not going to do it anyways. So you change them all out, you take the old ones off, and you can't take them and get money for them, obviously. They go in the trash. You buy your new ones, put your new ones on, then those have a lifetime warranty. So say in 100,000 miles, you change your plugs and wires again, then you can just take them back. You know, you get buy the new ones, put them on, take these old ones, put them in the new box, and go get your money back. And they'll probably give you a hard time, but you can look up everywhere. Rock Auto, AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly's, they all do lifetime warranty, but just make sure before you buy them that they have a lifetime warranty, obviously, because, you know, I don't know, some of the cheap ones might not. Alright, so those are my tips and tricks and my secret for changing spark plug wires. So if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive related videos. And don't forget to check the links in the description, because I'll link y'all up to all this stuff. You know, even those special tools, I'll find those so y'all can order those if you want them. Later.